make it yourself, see?
Yes. Well, it comes as a kit.
And it looks like you put it together properly too.
Oh yeah, it took me quite a long time.
Wild Willy. What sort of distance do you have control over?
Oh, we can go right up to the top end of the...
Up there?
Yeah.
Really?
Must be about 200 yards.
Good grief.
The trouble is it gets so small you can't really see it at 200 yards.
Yeah, I'm not surprised, no?
I'm just making a little video.
Oh, I see. You're good at the controls, eh?
I put a slower motor in it.
Easier to
The
control.
motor was much too fast.
Ah.
And when you're on this tarmac it just rolls. And then you get all scratched up. So after I've spent a long time painting it.
Yeah. Left-hand drive. Go. Right, I must go, I'm sorry.
Okay then.
It looks good fun.